Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the 5-tier greenhouse with Grow Light, a versatile and portable solution for both indoor and outdoor gardening enthusiasts. This greenhouse offers an extra wide space, 1.5 times wider than typical models, allowing you to nurture your plants to their full potential. Its lightweight and sturdy design makes assembly a breeze, requiring no tools, and it's strong enough to support seed trays, pots, and growth lights. The zippered PVC cover, UV protected and clear, helps maintain humidity and reduces the need for frequent watering, while the zippered door panel ensures easy access and ventilation. Whether you're setting it up on a balcony, patio, or a quiet backyard corner, this greenhouse is perfect for any season, providing a sheltered environment for your plants. Plus, with an unbeatable 3-year consumer-friendly guarantee, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that support is just a call or email away. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening! Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.